Welcome to Alberobello in the heart of Puglia, a unique place listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its white stone houses, topped with cone-shaped roofs, seem to have stepped straight out of an ancient tale. Today, I'll take you to discover this magical village, a symbol of the region. Trulli are traditional dwellings built without mortar, using only local limestone. Their origins date back to the 16th century, an ingenious construction, easy to dismantle, which allowed residents to avoid certain feudal taxes. Monti is the most famous district of Alberobello, with over 1,000 Trulli. Its sloping streets are lined with small shops, restaurants, and still inhabited houses. Every roof, every detail tells a story of stone and light.
To be honest, it's very good here in this one. Yesterday I was in nothing just this one. I can't remember the last time I've seen it, so it's good. It's a no.
Among the curiosities of Alberobello, there is the Church of St. Anthony, built in 1927. With its cone-shaped bell tower, it blends perfectly into the landscape and testifies to the importance of this unique architecture, even in places of worship. But Alberobello isn't just about its architecture. It's also about its atmosphere. The colors of the bougainvillea, the cobbled streets, the smiles of the locals, and the aroma of Puglian cuisine. Every corner invites you to stroll.
Si muove.
Però, ascoltami, ma non si può mica fare sempre tutto quello che vuoi te, scusami.
Io l'ho fatto.
Piccola district is more authentic and less touristy. Here, the Trulli are still inhabited, and the atmosphere is reminiscent of an ancient village. This is the best place to experience the true soul of Alberobello. Thank you for traveling with me through Alberobello. If you enjoyed this moment, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon for another timeless stopover.